線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。まもなく13番乗り場に17時50分発のぞみ56号東京行きが参ります。危ないですからホームの柵から離れて黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車、2号車、3号車です。この列車は全席禁煙です。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。普通車の喫煙ルームは3号車、7号車、15号車、グリーン車の喫煙ルームは10号車にあります。この列車は16両編成です。この列車は途中広島、福山、岡山、新神戸、新大阪、京都、名古屋、新横浜、品川に停まります。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen, the Super Express Nozomi 56, departing at 17:50, bound for Tokyo, is arriving at track 13. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 16 cars. Car 16 is at the front of the train, and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 8, 9, and 10 are the green cars for passengers holding green car seat reservations. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. Smoking is not allowed on this train, except in the designated smoking rooms located in cars 3, 7, 10, and 15. The smoking room in car number 10 is for passengers in the green cars. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at Hiroshima, Fukuyama, Okayama, Shin Kobe, Shin Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya, Shin Yokohama, and Shinagawa, before arriving at Tokyo Terminal.